All right, good morning, gamers. I don't know why you'd be watching at the beginning of the stream, but just in case, hello. All right, we're gonna continue working on our game that is the Animal Rescue Tycoon, where we actually have an active animal type like thing. So the gameplay loop is you actually have to go do stuff instead of sitting at base. That's the whole premise to it. That is gonna be why people play it. But first, I need to add the people in the Discord, but also maybe play some music because I don't have any music going on right now. Oh, let's do this. Okay, we got music. Now we update OBS. Hold on. Hold on. Pop out chat. Grab the link. Put it on OBS. This double click. Boom, 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 boom. Done. Chat's up there now. This should be good. Oh crap. Okay, that's good. Now we can add everyone in Discord. I need to figure out who I'm supposed to be adding though. That's not the problem. Hold on. Just we'll just do gamers, I guess. I don't know, man. I mean, I'll just paste it. It's okay. Well, what should give us? I don't know why I'm being so stupid. Cool. That's good. Why is this? Oh, am I watching another video in the back? That's funny. I thought that was part of the song. I was like, what the freak is this song, dude? This song sucks. Okay. Well, I want to play this. Actually, this actually sounds good. Hold on. Is there a playlist? Yeah, there is. So I can play all of their songs. Thank you. All right, there we go. Okay. Now we don't do that. We go here. What's up, Nayef? Don't even need to ping. Yeah, I saw you were waiting in chat. I was gonna reply, but then I was like, gonna focus on waking up first and continue like starting my day. Just that way I'd be ready for when I stream. But where were we? Where were we? I kind of forgot what I was exactly doing. I was thinking of redoing stuff to get it to server side, maybe. I'm not too sure. I don't remember. I have to think about that a little bit. I mean, I'll just press play and see where the errors are at. Sometimes you invalid arguments right here. Oh, it was the interaction stuff. Okay, so I was gonna get the interaction from a client to server, so that way it would work a lot better. But that was interact object server. Okay, attempts to call require with invalid arguments. Remote server interact object server. Is there not? There should be one in here. Interact object server. Interact object server. Okay, that should be good. Don't know why that's wrong. Server object interact. Require game replicate search interact. I'm just gonna redo it, I guess. I must have renamed it or something. Interact object server. No. Something else is wrong with this. You added a lobby. I sent Discord, but no one saw it. I mean, I could check out your lobby later. What was? I mean, is it just like you log in and that's or like you're just like queuing up type of thing? What's up, Swords? I was working on something the other day, off stream, And I didn't finish it, so now I gotta figure out why I'm getting errors. The common trend amongst myself. Okay, interact object server is having an issue. Require game replicated storage. Interact object server. That doesn't seem like an issue. Comes to call require with invalid arguments. Game that replicated storage that interact object server. It's literally autofilling. There's no way. Yeah, weird. Okay. Why would that be? I'm gonna go to this temporarily. Require. Swords, what have you been up to? Okay, that didn't work. Swords, what have you been up to? This isn't going well. This song's a little slow for this vibe that I want right now. Let's do. I could do Hasui, I could do that. I could do my playlist of music. I could do my playlist today. I think I want mine. Alright. My playlist of YouTube music. Let's go. Okay. Is it, how loud is it for you? A little loud, a little loud. That's a little bit better, right? Yeah, it looks good. We'll do that. So now we have decent music. Alright, why is that an issue? We don't really know. Do we have another place that's an issue? Or... hold on. Play, argument invalid. Server object interact event require blah 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 blah. Why is that becoming? I guess I'll switch it up. On remote event. Roblox. What could be the issue? Use this, for example, settings will require settings variables works perfectly fine. By removing the timeout. I didn't even think about that. That's an interesting one. Okay. That's not helpful at all. Why is this opening? Okay, that wasn't helpful at all for me. Let's count this out. I don't think this was an issue yesterday. Animal Rescue Simulator? Yes. We're not working to play already. We're reworking interaction system. Yeah, everyone wants to watch interaction systems getting reworked. All right. Why is this an issue? I don't really know. Require game replicated storage interact server object whatever. Interact object server. My headphones need to charge. Okay, wait. Let's make sure my headphones don't die. Then we'll figure out why the Tycoon isn't working. And if it continues to not work, we could just threaten to delete him. And if that works, then we'll just move on. But I, for some reason, don't think that's going to work. Interact object server. It's literally the exact same name. That's just not making sense. This was also working yesterday. It doesn't really make any sense to me, personally speaking. Personally. Good boy. Good boy. Here we go. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm not sure why this would be an error, but whatever. And the index nil with player scripts. Object interactions, player scripts. Index nil with player scripts. Okay, so local player is null. Wait, what? What are you talking about? I'm confused. Animal game dev, animal rescue tycoon. Wait. Roblox game dev, animal rescue tycoon. Why did I read that? It's so bad. The stream title kind of makes sense. No? Interact object server. Why? It's on an index nil with player scripts. Okay, so it has to be something with interact objects. No, because that's just a remote event. So like, what could that? What's up, jungling? We're trying to get rid of this issue before we continue. I'm gonna copy paste this and go back to this and do replicated storage dot interact object server. And now it's gotta work, right? It's gotta work. It's gotta work. Gotta work, right? No? I'm so confused. It makes no sense. Roblox. Roblox remote event argument invalid require. Fire remote. No, I'm not trying to fire it. Remote require remote event argument invalid. You got banned because someone said that if I was fatty they would give me Robux. Jungling, how do you come up with these brand new stories every day? How do you get banned? Also, I've been applying to jobs for like a week or two now. And I got a job. I just applied to different states. I'm just like, I don't really care where I'm applying. But I got a job in Colorado, question mark, I think. And they're like, hey. Well, I obviously applied, but they're like, hey, do you have any so it's a K-pop thing. It was really funny. I applied to it because I thought it was funny. But it's like for K-pop content creation. And so I was like, yeah, sure, I'll apply to it just because I was applying to jobs. And then they messaged me back, right? And they're like, hey, do you have any K-pop experience? I was like, not really. And so they're like, do you have any non-K-pop experience? I was like, yeah. So I was like, I looked up, I was hanging out with my friends. I was like at a party with them. It was a small party. My friend just coming back from a different place. And so I showed them the message, and they're like, and I'm like, should I just send them my channel? And like everyone's like, yeah, sure, why not, go for it? Because it's like funny, stupid type of thing. Like, we were just joking. And so I sent them my channel, and then today they messaged me back, and they're like, hey, we like your videos. Like you have good quality. And they're like, so they're like interested in hiring me, and I'm like, hello, what are the odds of this? And so they're like, oh wait, this is what we use for our editing, and what you do is way more than enough. And so now I might move to Colorado to start working as a K-pop content creator. That is my next career goal. This is so stupid. If that actually happens, that would actually be awesome and pretty funny. But I don't think it's gonna happen because they want someone in person. But if they did pay me enough, then I would move over there and work. But it's like the situation of actually getting into that position is so weird. A YouTuber literally makes a new short every day and tells the stories. that happens today. Like, dude, does it never end? Kind of. You kind of find an accessory in Roblox that's funny. What? You K my pup? I K my pup? How do you get many subscribers? Don't ask me. I have 700. Go ask, like, William or, like, Mr. Beast. Don't ask Mr. Beast. He's kind of weird. Go ask, who should you ask? Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, Markiplier. Go ask them, not me. I don't know how to get subs. But yeah, basically, soon I will be working in K-pop content creation, and everyone will be missing the days of when Nixel streamed his Roblox programming video. Can this work, dude? Why is this not working? It's just that. It's literally just that. It's just require object. That's all I'm doing. What is going on? Literally right there. Literally right there. I might just delete it and remake it at this point. This is kind of stupid. Alright. Delete. Remote. Event. Name AU. And boom. Now... Interact object is not a valid member of replicated storage replicated. Oh, it's in buildables now. Okay, I'll start up there. Is there an issue? There is an issue, but Mike's there. Maybe you want to help me. If you say why is it not working, then you ask yourself, you will find an answer. I'm trying. So like I'm just requiring a remote event. Like this is nothing special. I did this the other day and it worked fine. But now that I'm streaming, it doesn't want to work. Like normal. This is like normal stuff. Why? Why? Please tell me why. Oh wait, why am I so stupid? Why am I doing require? Hello? Yeah, you're actually right about that. You know, Mike Zar. Maybe it's just a me issue. What am I doing? Okay, we're gonna take out the require, and then it's obviously gonna work. I don't know why I was trying to require that. I was yeah, don't look over here. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing. Let's just move on. Okay, so now the interaction system is kind of working, maybe potentially not really. Oh wait, the server is still not working. Hold on, freak. Okay, wait. Fake red, ignore everything you saw, please. Please. Attempt the next nil with player scripts. Attempted to index nil. Why is local player nil? Trying not to laugh, we promise. So Nixel, my parents and I are going to see a family movie together. See ya. Alright, if you're not watching Wild Robot, I feel bad for you because Wild Robot's such a good movie and you're not watching it. But you should ask them to watch it, it's good. Have fun though. Make the hell buildings can collide false so that the camera won't be occupied in human. I've been... Oh wait, can't... Well, no, it's not. That's not what's going on exactly, Mixer. I need a... I've been kind of lazy. I don't really want to do it. But it's really easy. Somewhere in starter player scripts with the mouse controller into the... somewhere up here where we set... where is it? Where is it? It's the mouse ignore list, whatever. I can't find it. Mouse the target filter right here. Okay, so target filter. Where else do we call target filter in here? Target filter is equal to... Well, I need to get the player's specific Tycoon. So I don't really want to do that right now. Because I might... I'm gonna change that later in the future, but may as well, I guess. Alright, anyways, Tycoon plot, workspace dot Tycoon plot dot camera anchor. Also target filter plus equals workspace stat. Okay, so that should ignore it now. I forgot that's still not working. Attempt to inform arithmetic on instance. Hold on. Okay, play the game. Attempt to index nil with player scripts. Why is local player nil? Players dot. Wait, what? Why is local player nil? What? Cool. How long have you been learning Lua? 4 weeks at this point, maybe? I think it's 4 weeks. It's just whatever my streams or counts are at. Let me check the stream count. Also, local player is kind of nil right now, and I'm gonna have to figure that one out in a second. I've been learning Lua for a whole month. That is the answer. Yeah, 4 weeks. Players, local player is nil. Why is... That's curious. Was there... Did I delete something in here? No. There's no way. Okay. Starter player? Maybe I'm being stupid. Yeah, starter player. Yeah, what am I doing? Like, unironically, what am I doing? What is this? Starter player scripts. Top item scripts. Wait. Dude, what am I doing right now? This is so stupid. Previous experience with languages. C# for like 3 years, but like on and off. Not on and off. It was like on and off for like 4 years. But after 2 years, I like full sent it, and I learned web development and game development slightly, not fully, but a little bit for the game development, which kind of transferred over to Lua very easily. And then I have some other programming languages like experience with website design for Shopify and a little bit of JavaScript, and I was learning Python like 2 weeks ago. And I've kind of paused it for now, but I have a lot of programming like fundamentals. Yeah, I just learn a lot faster because of all of that, which I mean that's why you're asking. Using stats, dog. I've been doing Lua for 2 years and still don't know how to make a part that gives you cash. What? Using stats. Scap, you're good, bro. You're just learning. It takes time. Plus, if you're learning off and on, Scap it takes longer. Okay. I also make the dumbest mistakes too, like you guys are seeing all of my dumb mistakes that I made off stream. Like, I don't know, whatever, we're gonna move on for those, but this should work now. Requesting a module, experience an error loading. Game, starter player scripts. Is it not local? Is it not starter? I forgot which one it was. I thought it was local player then. I don't know, man. Starter player scripts. Yeah. I swear that was fine. Lua isn't too hard, but for some reason, object-oriented programming is impossible for me to grasp. The object-oriented programming in Lua is a little weird. But if you're learning a different language that is, like, fundamentally object-oriented, like C#, then coming back to here is, like, makes it a little easier. You're also dumb. Both of you are not dumb. Gap, you're brand new. You're still learning, okay? You're still pretty young. You still gotta develop your skill set. Mike, I'm gonna take a minute to work on this issue maybe, and then I'll ask you for help. But I want to ask for help every time, because then I'm gonna get used to it. Error loading somewhere over here. Okay, index nil with player scripts. We're doing it up again. What am I doing? What am I doing? What was I doing when I got off stream? What is this? This is so stupid. There's no way this is real. There's got to be more, right? What's going on? Okay. Game. Wait, why am I copying local player? I don't want local player. Okay. Player scripts. No. Starter player dot player script. Starter player scripts dot. Top item scripts. There we go. Okay, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it down here because this is already an issue. This is also an issue. What did I do? What was I doing? Yes, so you're brand new 3 years ago when you were 6. Bro, you're 9 years old. I didn't start learning programming until I was like 17, 18. And even then, I was still pretty stupid until I read a book on how to like... And I was like fully devoted to it. You're still 9 years old, bro. Calm down. This takes time to learn. No way he will ask for help in his solo passion project. I'm definitely gonna ask for help. No, don't get me wrong. Nah, you're right. I shouldn't get help. Alright. If anyone, next time somebody helps me, stream is ending. That is it. Red is right. No assistance. At least I know how to tween parts. I mean, that's good. That's pretty good. You can make a obby with that knowledge. Alright, I'm gonna close everything out because honestly I'm tired of having everything open. And then we're gonna reopen everything because it's everything I needed, so it's kind of stupid, but it makes it easier mentally for me, right? Let me see. Where was I? Oh wait, a lot of people in this community already helped you. Well, yeah, yeah, so many people have helped me. Fake Red, you've helped me so many times. What are you talking about? Unless you're like being sarcastic, but I can't really tell yet. Where was I at? I need to get the player interaction stuff. So in here. No wait. So in here? Question mark? Yeah, so whenever we interact, you're not being sarcastic? Oh yeah, I mean, genuinely so many people have actually helped me, including you. So I don't know. You might have just forgotten, but I've had so much help. Server object interact dot fire server. So whenever the player interacts with an object, we're going to tell the server, hey, the player interacted with this object this way and with this animal. What's up, Scap? What's really quick? What's really quick? Okay, with this animal. And then we have to go through each object and update the way that they work now because they're running server side and not client side. So we go into the shop items. So we go bathing module. This will be the first one we change. And interact. Okay, no. Interact server object. So the way we're doing this is that it's going to the server, which is over here. Interact object server. So interact connect blah 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 blah. So it's got the player, the object, the primary, and the held animal. So we're gonna pass through the object and the primary to object interaction, which is items manager. Which goes down here, interact. It gets the specific script, and then it passes through the animal that we're interacting with. So doing interact with both the object and then the animal. So now we go into the individual scripts. The interact needs to contain clean, place, finish, active, wash, interact right here. So now we pass through the animal, which is going to be a model. Held animal, grab from table. Which is an animal on the table. Run. Hold on. Alright, if there's no animal on the table, we place the animal with the placing script. And then the held animal controller also needs to get moved to the server side. Everything just needs to get moved to server side. This is kind of dumb. Held animal controller could be a server thing, and then I don't know. There's a lot of options here. A lot of options. Probably should have made everything server side, but I didn't really care to. Now I'm feeling the repercussions of my actions. So, oh, we have an animal thing right here. So we're just gonna do everywhere held animals at. We're just gonna replace an animal. Okay. Now we go back to the bathing module. We pass through the animal, which I should probably change the order of it, but it's kind of dumb. I don't have to make everything server side immediately. The only thing is that everything that's required with this red is. So the thing is, the server is going to be. So the client was calling everything before. Use mouse move function or wait. Oops, to update held building position. I use mouse move. The reason I'm doing this is because like the server is going to be interacting with this script, which is interacting with another script, which is interacting with another script. So it's like this one is going to be server side, so I have to like get the animal to all of these functions now, which is kind of annoying the way I did it, but it's also like the only way I could think of at the time, and I'm too lazy now to undo it. There's no tutorial on how to move parts to random positions every time. Scap, I'll make you a tutorial right now. Here's Scap. Inside of my play yard module, this is what I do somewhere. Oh, it's in position square. Wait, hold on. It's somewhere in here. Items manager? Training? No, shop items module right here. Alright, Scap, here's how I get a random position. I do R. I get the next integer of a random part of a random. The random is here. I do R next integer, I pick the minimum and the maximum. And then I put it in the X position. So this is the X position right here. I'm gonna make it easier to read for you. So X is right here. We got the comma. Y is just a Y that you choose. And then Z is just the next random integer. And then you could do that with a tween. And that's basically it. Just replay that section if you don't understand, or zoom into the video if you need to read it or something. But it should be legible. Okay, so the bathing module, wash table and animal. Everything else should be possible on its own. Bum, 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 bum. You leaving, Scap? Appreciate the tutorial, but gotta go. Bye, Scap. You're welcome. Interact secondary. No, this is an animal. I think this is fine. Just Do that position. Or just pass the animal, we'll do that later. Alright, every interact needs to pass the animal through. Comment animal. Held animal seeks to held animal. Night. I already did this one. Right. Player could be next, I guess. A shop info get position on square. No, animal. Bum, bum, bum. Hold the animal controller, place animal, pass the animal through. Okay, that should be fine. We'll do it in the kennel. This one's already doing it. We'll do it in spinning room. Come on, animal. Place animal position and animal. Okay, cool. Let's see how this works now. Why is this not working? Arithmetic on instance. Oh, that's why. Let's do table that insert into mouse target filter, comma workspace camera linker. And then where is the other version of it? I mean, that should be funny. We'll just use this, I guess. Play that, and should be good. No. Table insert does not work. Okay. I get it. Let's just try this. I don't really know how target filter works. I'm just kind of guessing right now. I don't know why this period. That's okay. Get rid of that. And then that should be okay. We'll try this now. Hopefully it works. Still no, it isn't working. Expected. Okay. You know what? I didn't close that. That's why. Bum, 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 bum. Play this. Let's see if this works now. That doesn't work. Enable assign object property target filter. Okay, we're gonna search up a mouse target filter. At this point, I'm just lost. Roblox mouse target filter. Okay, why couldn't this be the first link? To any instance or nil, for example. Okay, so we're gonna have to. We're not gonna be able to do that right now. Maybe. Okay, this property determines an object to go on a mouse. Probably get set to instance or nil, for example. Roblox mouse target filter more than one object. Oh, add to target filter? And remove from target filter. Oh, okay. So let's undo all of this. far as I can. No, I can't. Mouse dot target filter. Target filter. Add. Apply is tagged. That doesn't work. Dot. No way. I got lied to on the internet. No way the internet's lying to me. Don't believe everything you read on internet, I guess. That's what I learned. Wait, what? Well, I guess it doesn't work. I don't think that works. You know what? We're gonna try it anyways. Wait, hold on. I should have copy pasted it. Okay, copy this. Paste this. And we'll see if that works, because I don't think it is going to. No. Add target filter, yeah. Not a problem. Okay. That's alright. We're going to ignore it for now. We'll figure it out later. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Boom, boom. Right, that works for now. Good. Alright, interaction event system. Go in there. Interaction enabled training room. Hold E. Expected, not thought, require server. Okay, that makes sense. Boom. Boom. Did I try it? Where's the play yard at? I don't see a play yard. Top items module. Play yard. Play yard's the first one, eh? Am I stupid? Can you give me the first one? No. Oh, that's why. Trainer. Okay, now we have both of them. Boom, 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 boom. And hold E. It says index nil with name. What does that mean? Okay. Object is equal to interacting object dot name. Starter player, scripts, item manager, turn that index nil with name. The interacting object is nil. Items manager only gets called when the server calls it from objects interacting over here, and the object is getting passed through. I don't think we pass through player. No, we do. So the player manager passes object interact. I guess print object. Object to interact dot name. Boom, 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 and hold it. Cleared. Player gets printed, so I don't know what's going on there. Dun, dun, dun. Tempted to index nil with name. Oh. Bum, bum, bum. So from the server. On server event connect function player object primary. We do print player dot name. Cancel that out. Object dot aim. Incomplete expected assignment or a function. Oh. Alright. Now we check it. We got player, Dolphins 1, and it should get player again, but it's null this time. It's null. Is primary? Can we print that? See how that works? The player, Dolphins 1, and true. So all of that gets printed, except for the object. Which is interesting. Why is object not getting passed? Roblox past object through fire server. Seems like a no. Oh, that makes more sense actually. Never mind. That does actually make sense. So we're not gonna be able to pass through the object. We're gonna pass through the player, and then we're gonna have to try to get the object that the player is inside of. So we're gonna do inside of here. Local object is equal to player dot get touch. How do I get the actors or the objects that are touching him? So, let's do Roblox get touching parts. Did you use get touching parts or any other ways to detect the example? Thanks. Player that find first child humanoid. Local player part. Find first child humanoid root part. That's what I meant. Local object is equal to player part. Get touching. No, it doesn't work. Let's say held animals apart for now. And then we do held animal dot get touching. Okay, so yeah, it only works on parts. So, what part of the player would be best to grab? I thought it was gonna be humanoid root, but I guess not. Workspace, Dolphins 1, humanoid root part. I feel like that would be the best spot to grab, no? Yeah, I feel like that would be the best one to use. Oh, it's because it's fine for child. I'm gonna say this is a part. I guess we can't. This is a part. There you go. Now it should autofill, because now it should actually work. Get touching parts. Okay. And now for each part in objects. In objects, if part name equal to it's supposed to be the interactable object interaction box. Interaction box. We could do this part, and then we could return. We don't need to do any more. Perfect. That looks good. That looks good. So now, no errors, maybe? Boom, boom. We're holding E for a long time. We're getting in here. Are we getting in here? I guess that's another question. Print part. Or we should print the part in here so that we could just see if it's getting in there. Okay, Dolphins 1, upper torso, lower torso, and that's it. Upper torso and lower torso. I feel like that's not right. I feel like there's more. Fine. Oh! Right, because the placing of objects is not server-sided. Okay, so what we have to do now. No. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Now we gotta go into the Bilbo mouse controller and make this server-sided. Alright, so how are we gonna do this? Alright. Okay, so we go into place object. Game replicates or edit object event fire false. Look at object parent go to placed object. So this is what we do instead. We have to delete this. And then oh, where'd I go? Okay, so we have to delete this one. And then we have to spawn a new object from server side to place the objects for us, which will be located storage, remote event, build mode place object. Right to local server place object in our game dot located storage dot build mode place object. Server place object. Fire server. We're gonna pass through the object name. So selected object dot. Hold on. Select an object dot parent dot name, and then go higher. We're gonna pass through its rotation and maybe a color scheme that I have set up. I don't know. We'll just do part and then the keyframe. So selected object dot parent. What does a model have actually? Model has transform. Then we make that, and then we delete that. The transform has the position and orientation. So if I were to get the play yard workspace, play yard, if I rotate it, it rotates the orientation there too. So that would mean I don't have to worry about anything else except for that. So as long as the transform gets passed through, it's not a big deal. And placed objects will be fine. Okay, so we're deleting that now. Selected object.parent, destroy. Okay, so now here, do local server build mode. Equals to game replicate storage. Build mode place object. Okay. Local function. Server build mode. That on server event connect blah 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 function player the object name and a transform. So now we go through buildables. Local object is equal to game dot replicate storage dot buildables. Find first child of object name. Object at parent is equal to. We need to get the player's Tycoon plot, but since we don't have one, we're just going to do workspace dot Tycoon plot dot placed objects. Object that transform is equal to transform. Object is going to be a model. And not be transform. I guess not. World pivot determines where the pivoted model, which does not have a set model primary part, is located. Maybe I just pass through the primary parts. Keyframe. So in the mouse controller, we pass through selected object that. What does a part have? A part T-frame would probably be the best selection here. Yeah, the C-frame. Object, get pivot. I think get pivot's the right one. Let's try local X to selected object, get pivot. Stop. What is get pivot? Roblox, get pivot. Cool. Get pivot, return C-frame. Okay, cool. Just want to make sure. Just wanted to make sure. Now, object dot primary parts dot pivot to transforms the instance along with all of its descendants, such as the pivot is now located at specific keyframe. Use transform. So now this should work. Let's just hope. Boom. And it got deleted. Expected. Boom. Expected. That. Okay, that's fine. Play. Try this again. Oh. Oh. It worked. It kind of worked. I mean, we got a thingy here. Place objects, play yard, interaction box. Where are you at? You're down here. Why's the interaction box down here? So it seems like because we're doing pivot 2, it didn't move it with it, even though it's the primary part is area. The mouse controller should be on mouse move. Alright, so instead of primary part, we do object. We do, yeah, we can do that. Okay, that should be fine. We just pivot the model. Pivot the model. We get the whole model. Oh, oh, it works. It kind of works. It doesn't give me the interaction option. Oh wait. Unable to assign target filter object expected got table. Okay, that's okay. We'll delete that, boom, play. Build mode, boom, boom. The interaction isn't working, but other than that, it's kind of good. And we also have it on a server side now, so now the server can see what's going on. Okay, okay. Kind of big. The next step would be to see why it's not interacting. Because it's the same part. Oh, that's why. Wait, what the heck? Is that black? Oh, that's blue. Alright, the reason it's not interacting is because we're deleting the on interact part of it. So so inside of, is it in place object right here? We're deleting it, and we're not actually adding the interaction box. It's just in the purchase. So we're gonna have to add the interaction box somehow. To get the interaction box, we're gonna have to figure out what part it is first. And then well, I guess it gets deleted anyways, so it doesn't really matter. So you can move this around. I guess we could just loop through all of the parts and see if they have their attribute sets or not. So for x comma or underscore parts in workspace dot tycoon that place up get children. So for each part in get children, I guess it's not gonna be sure, it's gonna be a model. For each model and get children, it's gonna be a type model. Why is this in here? Purchase. Expected due when parsing. Oh. So for each part in the placed object, we're going to check if model get attribute of interactable. So if interactable is null, so if we're not interactable, so if it's null, then we go in here, and at the end we set and at the end we do model. What is going on? Why is there an error still? Expected then no. Okay. Model that we're getting the model and we need to set the property of interactable. Model set attribute interactable to true, doesn't really matter. I guess it does matter. Because if it's true, it's not going to go in here. So local interaction box, blah, 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 blah. So now it should become interact. Oh, okay. Expected end of file. Okay, building mouse control expected end to close function at line 89. Dun, 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 dun. 89. Something is not right. Is that good? No, it didn't work. Set a place object or space object. Let's just take this whole thing again. Move it out of here. And we do task. Wait like 2 seconds, and then check every part. Workspace. Taking plot, place objects, play yard. And index no apparent. Oh, that's fine. I forgot to actually do the whole thingy that's important. Interaction box is equal to model dot parent find first child interaction box. Bum bum bum. What's up, potato? Hi, Pookie. Why are you calling me Pookie? What's up, EU? How'd you guys manage to join at the exact same time? It's crazy. Alright, this is still not working. So print model dot name. You back from the dead? Hey, what's up? I have a girlfriend? Yes, I do. I do have one. Cleared? Print. Hello. Copy that. Okay, so we're gonna print hello if we get into here, which we should be getting into there because we don't have an attribute on there. We got hello, and then interaction box is equal to model.parent find first child interaction box. Hello. Thank you, Vikram. How long's my relationship? Guys, are you trying to swoon me over to see if it's possible? It's been going on for I think Potato's trying to. It's a little sketchy. It's been going for almost 3 years. Or close to 3 years. It's been a while. It's been a fat while. Hello. Okay, hello. Interaction box, find first child. Model dot parent. No, we don't need the parent of the model. We already have the model. What are we doing? Okay. That should be good. New, very lucky, my whole club girlfriend except for me. New, very lucky, your whole club girlfriend except for me. I'm confused. You're gonna have to restate that. You. Hey, interaction works. Let's go. We're still only touching the torso. I did all of that for nothing. For nothing. For literally nothing. What the frick? This is so stupid. Come on, man. I've never mentioned. Wait, what? You've never mentioned her ever, but hopefully you guys can hang along for a long time. What does that mean? I've never mentioned her ever. So you have a girlfriend, Fake Red, but hopefully you guys can hang along a long time. Oh, wait, what? Fake Red, I don't know your message, man. You have to restate that too. Your whole "can I have a girlfriend except for me? I don't have one." Ew, I went. Here, let me give you a timeline as to this is how my life looked like. Never mind that. Okay, sounds good. All right, you. This is the day I was born, right here. Wait, hold on. This is the day I was born. This is my lifetime, and this is where we are now. At what point do you think I got a girlfriend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. Guess as to which point I had a girlfriend. We can call this 1 to 5, I guess. We'll call this 6 to 10. Call this 11 to 15. It's hard to read. 4 to 5 will be... I made the numbers a little weird. We're going to do 16 to 18. 6 could be 19. 17 could be 20. This could be 21. And then this is 22 right here. This is where I'm at right now. So, you think I got it at 4. Fake Red thinks I got it at 3. Actually, the time that I got my girlfriend was over here. This is when I got my first girlfriend. At 7. So don't be rushing to get in a relationship. It doesn't really matter. Also, don't feel sad if you're not in one. It just takes time. Darn, you were so close. I got my first girlfriend at 11 years old. Yeah, the time doesn't matter. Yeah, you picked 3 for a joke. I know. I got you. But yeah, yeah, you don't worry. Don't worry. It's not a race. It's about the journey, and also doing as much as you can before that, because you lose a lot of time once you get a girlfriend. Do everything you can so that way you'll be happy in the relationship. You know what I mean? You know. Anyways, we're going to question why this is still not working, even though I got this to work on a server side now, and then we got items placing. The freak, dude. If I jump in here, we got interaction player enabled. Cool. Then we hold E. Look at this. Dolphin's torso, lower torso. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Why does this have to be true? This is supposed to work. It was supposed to work. It's the only reason I did it so early. Okay, so hold E. You get the upper torso, the lower torso. I want to get the right here. So obviously, it's only interacting with the freaking. But why? Shouldn't the humanoid report be interacting with? I don't know. The big block that's right here called interaction box that is currently living inside of. Should this not count as touching? I'm confused. Do you have a mental breakdown? I don't know what would consider a mental breakdown, so I'm gonna say maybe. I did because of my horrible behavior. I don't know. I wouldn't say mental breakdown, but I have like many times where I just like I'm like, dang, it sucks. But it's also just recently because of just the job market sucks, bro. Job market sucks. I hate jobs. I hate Indeed. I've always hated it with a passion. Mental breakdown is a dangerous feeling of stress. Oh, okay. I'm permanently in a mental breakdown, actually. We'll figure it out one day. No, I probably have been, but I don't know. I don't remember right now. I mean, I've probably been in a couple times, to be honest, but it's like for a couple different things, maybe potentially. I don't know. I don't really remember. I also don't know if I would consider, even if I had a mental breakdown, I don't know if I would even consider it a mental breakdown, so I don't even know. Wait, what? I can move stuff on the... Oh. Why is there two? Huh. Hold on a second. Why is there two? Server, place object, destroy. No, don't destroy that. Destroy the selected object. Not parent. Okay. Space. There shouldn't be any more tycoons. Or there shouldn't be any more thingies. Dun dun dun. Play yard. Yes. Boom. Server side. Move this around. Boom boom boom. We only have one now. Perfect. You said mental breakdown and won't. That won't make me commit self-harm. What caused that scenario? I mean, that seems a lot deeper. That you should probably be talking to someone that is probably more qualified to talk about stuff like that. Maybe to a therapist, or ask your family if you could talk to one, maybe. But I definitely don't feel qualified to really be able to speak on that subject. But it's never worth it to ever do that, to be fair. Like, that is something I can't say. I don't think that is ever going to be a good option. But yeah, I just don't feel like I'm qualified to talk about that stuff to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you went through that. Okay, so do this. Holy, confused as to why this is happening. Because I know I'm inside. I'm like actively inside of this part that's on the server side. Oh, there we go. Goodbye, I guess. It's alright. Alright, so... yeah, that's a little confusing as to why that didn't work. Maybe I get the lower torso? Try that. Get the humanoid first. Bro, what the freak? Why is this so stupid? What's up, Squidly Cola? What? Wait, this is new. Wait, Squidly Cola, we have someone else that's called Mr. Squid, and just... y'all like your new pick? Wait, so you are Squid? I'm so confused. Unless you've been here before. Wait, maybe I just am being stupid. Wait, we have two squids, I forgot. This is just a new picture. I mean, I like the picture. I think it's a vibe. I don't know if NaCl is though. Oh, Nixel? I think you were trying to type? I have no idea. That's like the worst way to spell Nixel though. Okay. Anyways. You're very Sigma. Thank you for letting us know. I appreciate that. It's you. Oh, okay. Never mind. I see what you mean. Okay. Back to focusing for like half a second. Why the frick is this not working on the server side? Why the server not get the touching part of the player? Interesting, interesting. Bro, I'm like talking to someone on Indeed because they want me to get something done, right? And this is kind of annoying. This is what I'm talking about. Job market's so freaking stupid. Hold on. Let me pull this up because this is kind of crazy. I'm gonna hide the name, but. So I had to go to this person's house the other day so I could give them a quote as to how much I would charge them to do a certain task. And I spent like an hour there. And this isn't getting paid, this is just to see what they're dealing with, and then I would charge and quote them, I guess. Because, I mean, I thought it was going to be a position, but it's not a position at the place. Let's see if I can... Oh, I mean, you guys can't really read that, that's fine. I need to get rid of that. Let me pull this up. I need to rant about this because this is annoying. When I feel a bit angry, I just play some games that always allow me to kill something. Squid. Hey, what's up, Cloud? Hold on. Let me do this. Let me pull this to the side. Let me open this. I gotta blur out the names and stuff like that because I don't want you to be able to see that. Alright, so let me do this. Delete. Probably just delete the names on this stuff here too. Boom. With that. Alright. So, here's the message. I think everything should be deleted. Please, guys, don't. Okay, anyways. So, I sent this whole thing right here about what I would do, or like what their stuff is, and like the stuff. Like, and mind you, I'm not charging a lot because there's not a lot of work to do. I'm only charging $230 for like something like that they pay thousands of dollars for. That's a very fractional amount of money. Especially for a position that I thought was gonna be like a full-time or part-time job. So like $230 is like literally nothing in this case. And I'm like, anything else is $25 like an hour, but that's still like nothing because I'm not gonna be doing anything extra because I don't want anything. Anyways, he messages me back and he's like, please list the specific steps in order that you would take to do that. This is like someone is asking you to like, hey, can you make me a Roblox game? Can you program me a whole Roblox game? And I'm like, yeah, I would do it this way, and this is what I'm gonna do. And then they go, could you send me the example code that you would use to make that game? And like, what? You want me to send you the full code base and the whole documentation to show you what I would do? Right. Okay. Okay. I guess you could take my work for free. $250. Okay, so put this into perspective. The Indeed post was between $27 and $40 an hour per hour, right? And this is for a part-time whatever. So in perspective of this is less than a day's of work. $230 is one time for website and stuff like that. Like, this guy's got like $1 million minimum, right? This guy's like rich. This guy like literally lives on a mansion on the side of like the beach. Like, this guy is balling. And then he messaged, could you send me the example code that you would use? Like, bro, I'm not stupid. I'm not gonna just tell you how to do it so that way you could just scam me. And you're like, this is the problem with rich people, is that they try to like save every single dollar they can, and it's so annoying. Like, I don't know, dude, it's so stupid. And this is what I deal with on a constant basis. Constant. I mean, it's an example, Red. This is an example. The Roblox thing is an example, but like it's like a very, it's an example that's really relevant because we're doing Roblox stuff. But you can see, like, repair his emailing stuff, $120, whatever, blah blah blah. I mean, it's like still not that much. I mean, you could work at McDonald's for 2 days and make this much money. Or I guess 3 days, I guess. I don't know. Maybe 2 or 3 days. But like this would take a day of work. Kind of. So like, you know. And this is also like IT, computer, website hosting, and whatever. Like, relative to what I'm asking for and where you could make that money, like, that's like, he just wants to scam me. Okay. Appreciate that. I'm gonna email this guy back, but it's just so annoying. Hold on. I'm gonna send this to my friend. I'm just sending. I'm writing an email back because like I'm frustrated. It's making me frustrated. I'm gonna send this to my friend. See if I'm like right about this. Okay, hold on. Let me catch up with the chat. Is 250 nothing? Wait, is this pay Roblox? Okay, all right. I get paid $300 a month for it's small because I make work every 1 to 2 days. What the heck? That's pretty good. But like, still, it's like, you know. Are you a child? I'm not like that. I meant O-face. Squid the Oh my gosh. Microphone is good. Thank you. Next, what am I doing now? I'm just sending I wrote out an email and I'm sending it to my friend and I'm gonna see what he thinks of that. Cause he's one of my IT friends. I'm annoyed by his response with that because that just feels like a slap in the face, realistically, honestly. I spent an hour and a half yesterday at his house, like looking at his systems, and now he wants me to just do it for free. That just made me mad. Made me mad. I'm angry. He better be watching this stream and understand what's going on, because that's just stupid. There's no way you're gonna ask such a stupid question. He's got better things to do than watch Roblox live streams. Dude. Why is my Chrome open? Angie. Why is it so foggy today? What the heck? Dude, I was just thinking about that, right? Do you ever play People Playground? I've never tried that game. Fake right, I was thinking about that today, and I live in Florida, and it's like very slightly like you could slightly feel a chill outside. Hopefully you guys can't read that if you zoom in. Dude, I just want to see the weather, bro. Just show me the weather. There's like a slight chill outside. I can't see the temperature. It's like, I don't know. Florida, West okay. It's 83 outside. It was like 73 this morning. It was 75 this morning, Fahrenheit, by the way. And I was like, oh, I feel like a slight like AC breeze going on. And then I thought about it, I was like, everyone that watches my stream is like in countries where there's like actual seasons and it's like maybe cold outside. And so I was just thinking about that. I'm a little jealous. I miss having temperatures. Iceland is freezing chill, if that makes sense. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's like warm outside again, unfortunately. Hold on, I sent it to my brother too, and he thinks he's asking me why I'm confused. You're updating one shot right now? Okay, edit desktop scaling settings. Oh, cool. Cool. Hold on, let me send this to my brother. Text. You guys can't read that. I can't even read that, to be honest. So even if you zoomed in, oh well. It's not really leaked, technically. Normal temperature right now in Cambodia is 31 to 25. I don't know Celsius, unfortunately. I'm sorry. That sounds very good, though. I don't know. Honestly, I wanted to stream more today and like program more today because I was like, I felt bad that my streams have been kind of short recently. But I'm just not really up for it right now. I don't know why. And also this is still like being stupid. This is not working. Okay, we don't need to print that anymore. If Nayef is still here, I'm down to play some rivals. One minute? Alright, sounds good to you. Mine is 3 to -3. So that's so cold. I know that much is cold. Dude, that's crazy. I wish it was that cold for me. I miss the cold a little bit. I live where the sun cannot heat up. Yeah, that's fair. I should have just been born somewhere else. That's unlucky. I mean, to be fair, the streams are just more just for me to focus, technically. That's like the definition of what the streams are supposed to be for. But if I end streams sooner or later, it doesn't exactly matter. Doesn't exactly. I'm trying to rationalize me not wanting to not stream. I just don't want to program right now. I feel like I got a little progress, and it's not like I'm not working on a whole new system or major thingy going on. It's just kind of like weird issues going on constantly. Kind of, it's like I get tired of doing it after like an hour, and I'm like, okay, I'm good now. I'm gonna move on. That's just basically what's happening. And I'm also expecting to have to do something else later. So I'm also expecting to have it when I'm gonna have to do a lot, because the player not being able to get the interaction box, I can only get the torso for some reason, is kind of an issue. I think it's because it can collide is not a thing. Maybe that's why. I think so. Oh yeah, look at that. Wait, no. Interaction event. Object interact on aim. I don't know. Kind of confused still. Oh, I didn't see this before. Oh, yeah. So right here, maybe? No. They're in different parts. That's the player manager, and this is interact object. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It's 87 to 77 in Cambodia. Wait, that's actually hotter than where I'm at. That's not good. That probably doesn't feel too great. You. Also, to be fair, I deal with that temperature range very often, so it's not really that bad. It's okay. Yeah, the temperature's okay. Oh my goodness. Why? It's not that bad. Last year even harder. Oh, I bet. Last year was really hot, to be honest. Although we're kind of going into the winter era. Yeah, this isn't gonna work, by the way. This it's not gonna work. Enable fluid? No. Okay, so the can touch whatever garbage, or the get touching objects isn't gonna work, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to find out something else. Something else that would work. What if I place it on the server side? I make it. Oh, this is stupid. Okay, I make it collidable, and then on the client side I make it not collidable, and then we go in and we interact. Boom. Instant interaction box. Oh no, it's cursed. This is not right. That's actually cursed. I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of stupid. I don't want to do that. This is in Cambodia. That's a wild EU. That is a wild temperature range. Okay, so obviously this works, but I don't really like it. This works, but this is not right. I should not be doing this. I mean, I guess who says, right? Says who, I guess. Says who. Yeah, I'll figure it out next time, I guess. I don't know. It's a little too much for my wee little brain. I just got everything over to the server side. We're good now. Change the graphical to frontline graphics so much better. I don't know what that means. Alright, well. Thank you everyone for chilling here and vibing. I appreciate it. The streams have been getting smaller, but I also feel like it's just kind of school stuff that are popping up. Frontline Roblox game? Oh. I don't really want to program right now anymore. I'm just getting like tired. I also think it's because this is my longest project that I've ever worked on consistently, and so I just like getting to a point where I'm getting tired, and then at some point I might start ramping up more, but I'm not really sure right now. Player Cook, it's a game. I don't really want to play a game right now. Sorry, Soul Tribe. Not right now. I'm gonna call you on Discord in a second though. I was ramping really hard for like 2 weeks though, to be fair, so I'm kind of lazy today. Also, I have to edit a video today, and I definitely got to work on that. Because I need to get that done by tomorrow. It's my weekly goal. That is the more important goal for me, is just to have a video every week, to be honest. But I do want to start ramping up more on Roblox. Also, the other thing with Roblox is that my girlfriend hasn't made any models, and so I'm like, my psychological brain thing is going, hey, she's not working on this, so this probably isn't going to work out in the future. Like this isn't going to go. So maybe I'll probably get a boost in motivation if she starts working on the models, but until then I might have lower motivation maybe. But I also hope to just start doing more soon. Just a question, when do you have a hello. What the no, dude. Where's that? Where did that question come from? Hello. All right. Well, I'll see you guys later. We'll leave it off on that one.